Fixing Drum Rattles, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that might sound a bit technical at first, but it's something that can be really useful for anyone interested in music, or more specifically, in playing drums. We're talking about fixing drum rattles. By the end of this video, you'll understand what drum rattles are, why they happen, and most importantly, how to fix them. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what drum rattles are. Drum rattles occur when there's an unwanted, buzzing or vibrating noise that comes from the drum set. This noise is usually caused by loose parts or hardware that vibrates when the drum is played. It's a common issue that can be annoying and can affect the quality of your sound. To effectively fix drum rattles, we need to understand their common causes. There are a few usual suspects here. Loose screws or bolts. These are often found on the drum's hardware, like lugs or stands. Snare wires that are too loose or too tight. The snare drum can produce a rattle if the wires are not adjusted correctly. Worn-out heads or damaged rims. Over time, the heads of your drums can wear out, or the rims can get damaged, leading to rattles. Loose internal parts. Sometimes, the internal parts of a drum, like a dampening system, can become loose and rattle. Now, let's move on to the most important part: how to fix drum rattles. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Tighten all screws and bolts. Go over your drum set and make sure that all hardware is tightened properly. 2. Adjust your snare wires. If the rattle is coming from your snare drum, try adjusting the tension of the snare wires. They shouldn't be too loose or too tight. 3. Inspect and replace worn-out parts. Check for any worn-out heads or damaged rims and replace them as necessary. 4. Secure loose internal parts. If there are any loose internal parts, secure them with tape or by tightening. Fixing drum rattles might seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and attention to detail, you can easily get rid of those annoying noises and improve the sound quality of your drum set. Remember, the key is to identify the cause of the rattle and then take the appropriate action to fix it. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of fixing drum rattles. Happy drumming, and see you in the next video.